In today's video, I'm going to teach you uploading your first bill on Deferit, step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident getting your very first bill into the system and ready for approval. First, open the Deferit app on your phone or head to the Deferit website in your browser and sign in. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. Have your bill handy, either as a clear photo, a PDF, or a screenshot, so you can upload it without hunting around. Once you're in, look for the option to upload. On the home screen, you'll usually see Upload Bill or Add Bill. Tap or click that to begin. If you don't see it right away, check the main dashboard or the plus icon. It should be front and center since it's one of the most common actions. Next, choose how you want to upload. You can take a photo of a physical bill, select a file from your device, or pick a saved image or PDF. Use good lighting if you're snapping a photo and make sure all four corners, the amount due, the due date, the biller name, and any reference numbers are clearly visible. If your bill has multiple pages, include them all. Common file types like PDF, JPG, and PNG usually work well. Now it's time to fill in the bill details. Enter the biller name exactly as it appears on the document, the amount due, the due date, and any reference or account numbers shown on the bill. Double check that the amount and due date match the document to avoid delays. If the app auto-detects details, review them carefully. Fix anything that doesn't match your bill. Accuracy here is key because Deferit uses this information to route payment correctly. Before you hit submit, take a moment to review everything. Preview the image or file to confirm it's legible, not cut off, and not blurry. Confirm the biller, amount, and due date one more time. If prompted, acknowledge the terms and confirm how your repayments will be scheduled, then submit your bill. After that, wait for approval. Deferit will review the upload to ensure the bill is valid and readable. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a bit longer during busy periods. You'll get a notification when it's approved or if something needs fixing. If you're asked to re-upload, don't worry, just provide a clearer image or correct the details. Once approved, you'll see the payment schedule in your account and you can track the status right from the app or website. That's it. Open Deferit, upload your bill, confirm the details,